Hi guys, welcome to this three-dimensional and stunning card, and for that I've used the Rinea Foils in the chocolate color, and this is called Mocha, and it's a beautiful foil which is going to be the hero of this card. So I've used a spellbinder's floral die, and this is a very simple technique I'm going to do. I love adding such kind of dimensions to my projects, and this particular flower is absolutely easy and beautiful. So I've used a brad and I'm just poking it through the already cut holes, and then I'll be adding some dimension. So it was very easy with this foil, and I did not have to use any tool. It was just by picking up the paper and crumbling it. So as you can see, I'm just twisting and turning the petals, and a beautiful flower was created in seconds. So I created two of these, and few leaves with the teal and blue Rinea foils. So this is comparatively a very quick card, and when you use a different kind of a cardstock, you need a ball tool and an embossing a pad and all these kind of things to get the flower in the right shape. But by these foils, it was really easy and quick. So I also took a silver foil, and that was the base for my card. And now, as you can see, these beautiful leaves are right in front of me, and by using the back of a brush, I was able to add the dimension, which was beautiful. So I'm just scoring it from the center and bending it. These foil papers are very easy to do this, and that's it. So now I'll just assemble the card, and I use some glue dots to stick it on this silver paper. So I will just stick them very nicely, and also on a card base. So this is done, and all it needs is a sentiment, and I used the Stays On ink in black to stamp a sentiment, and that finished the card. So I hope you enjoyed this beautiful three-dimensional project, and if you want to see more such videos, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also visit the Imagine blog for tons of inspiration. So thank you so much for stopping by. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.